final rites for the brothers and for the sisters that are lying here. Back to the state function.
Naomba tuwape kanisa makofi tafadhali. Asante Bishop kwa kutukumbusha kwamba hata wakati tunasubiri kwamba Mungu kwa wakati wake anafika na anajibu. Mheshimiwa Mama wa Taifa Bi Rachel Ruto, Mheshimiwa Julius Ogamba waziri wetu wa elimu, Mheshimiwa Susan Keheka gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru, waheshimiwa maseneta wakiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Tabitha Karanja, wakilishi wa wanawake waliofika wakiongozwa na mwakilishi wa wanawake katika kaunti ya Nakuru Liza Chelule, waheshimiwa wabunge, viongozi wa idara mbalimbali waliofika, viongozi wa serikali kuu na serikali ya kaunti, familia zilizowapoteza wapendwa wao, wanafunzi wa shule wasichana ya Utumishi, wazazi, mabibi na mabwana. Sasa tunaingia kwenye kipindi cha rambirambi na tutakuwa tukisikia rambirambi hizo kutoka kwa watu tofauti. Na wa kwanza nitamkaribisha the school captain Utumishi Girls, Abigail Wanjiku, to give the tribute on behalf of the girls. Let's welcome her with a round of applause.
Thank you. Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Mrs. Rachel Ruto, and all the distinguished guests, good morning. Good morning once more. My name is Abigail Wanjiku, the school captain of the Utumishi Girls Academy. Today, we gather with heavy hearts to honor and remember the 16 beautiful souls whose lives were tragically cut short in the devastating fire that struck our school. This day of sorrow, reflection, and remembrance, a day when we came together not only to mourn, but also to celebrate lives that touched our lives and reached our community. As students, we have lost more than classmates. We have lost sisters. We have lost friends, study partners, teammates, and companions who shared our dreams, our laughter, and our hopes for the future. Their absence leaves a void that words cannot adequately describe, and the pain of losing them is one that we will carry for a long time. To the families of our departed sisters, we extend our deepest and most heartfelt condolences. No words can fully ease the grief you are experiencing, but please know that we mourn alongside you. We share in your pain, keep you in our prayers, and stand with you during this difficult journey. Your daughters will forever remain cherished members of Utumishi Girls Academy, and their memories will continue to live on with us. As we remember these 16 girls, we celebrate the lives they lived and the impact they made. Their kindness, determination, talents, friendship, and unique personalities left a lasting mark on our school community. Though their time with us was far too short, the memories they created and the love they shared will remain in our hearts forever. On behalf of all students of Utumishi Girls Academy, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who stood with us during this tragedy. Your prayers, messages of comfort, acts of kindness, and the unwavering support have been a source of strength during one of the darkest moments in our school's history. First and foremost, we would like to recognize and sincerely appreciate the mother of our nation, Her Excellency Mrs. Rachel Ruto. We are deeply grateful that despite your demanding schedule, you found time to be with us during this difficult period and to mourn alongside us. During this, your presence, love, and compassion have brought comfort and encouragement to our hearts. Thank you for the motherly support you have extended to us and standing with us in our time of grief. May God bless you abundantly and reward you for your kindness. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the Kenya Red Cross Society for the swift response, emergency support, counseling services, and the humanitarian assistance. Your compassion and dedication have provided comfort and hope to affected students and families when they needed it most. Our sincere gratitude also goes to the government agencies, healthcare workers, Nakuru County firefighters, security officers, religious leaders, teachers, parents, and all well-wishers who stood with us throughout this difficult time. Your support has reminded us that we are not alone. Our appreciation goes to the surrounding community, the anti-stock theft unit as first responders. As school community, we choose to honor our departed sisters, not only through our tears, but also through our unity, resilience, and hope. While their dreams have been interrupted, their legacy will continue to inspire us to work harder, care for one another more deeply, and cherish every moment we share together. Today, as we light candles of remembrance and offer our prayers, let us remember that although death separates us physically, love and memories can never be taken away. The bonds we shared with our sisters remain unbroken in our hearts. May the souls of the 16 sisters rest in eternal peace. To their families, may God grant you comfort and strength. To the injured students and those deeply affected by this tragedy, may God grant you healing and hope. To our school community, may God grant us courage, unity, and resilience as we move forward together. And to all who have walked with us through this difficult journey, may God richly bless you for your compassion and kindness. Though gone from our sight, our sisters will never be gone from our hearts. Thank you.
Thank you, Wanjiku. The next to take the stage is Mama Grace Washeke, who will speak on behalf of the bereaved families. Grace Washeke atazungumza kwa niaba ya wale waliowapoteza watoto wao.